squid, and broad beans. This is one of Spain's best kept paella secrets, and today I'm showing you how to get it perfect. We are starting with a hot pan and searing our squid to lock in those juices. While that builds a solid flavor base, we drop in our chopped onion and garlic right away. Now we build the soul of the dish, the sofrito. Grated tomato goes in, followed by sweet Spanish paprika and premium saffron threads. If you want the authentic stuff, you can grab these exact saffron threads over at iwantpaella.eu. Next, we pour in 900 milliliters of seafood stock and crank both rings of our paella burner to maximum power. We want an intense, even boil. Quick tip: if you're using an enamel pan like mine, always stick to wooden or silicone utensils to protect that enamel layer. Once it's at a rolling boil, in go our broad beans. And finally, the rice, by adding the rice directly to the boiling stock instead of pan frying it dry. It absorbs the maximum amount of flavor right from the very first second. Give it one final shake to level it out, and then we let the fire do the magic. We let it simmer down for about 15 minutes. Once the rice is around 80% cooked and the liquid is mostly gone, drop the burner heat down to 30% for the final 3 minutes to let it settle and finish cooking perfectly. Look at that texture. A proper plate of authentic Spanish comfort food. Head over to iwantpaella.eu for the full written breakdown and ingredients list. Thank you, and see you next Sunday.